Sponsored by. In a significant breakthrough in the heart-wrenching stampede incident in UP's Hathras that took at least 121 innocent lives, the main accused in the case, Dev Prakash Madhukar, who was also the organizer of the event, was arrested from Delhi's Najafgarh on Friday night. Madhukar has been fleeing ever since the dreadful incident took place along with others named in the case. However, following his arrest, he will now be produced in court on Saturday.
जनपद हाथरस के थाना सिकंदराबाद क्षेत्र के गांव फुलरई मुगलगढ़ी में घटित दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना में वांछित मुख्य आयोजक 1 लाख का इनामिया मुख्य आरोपी देव प्रकाश मधुकर व 2 अन्य अभियुक्तों राम प्रकाश शाक्य व संजू यादव को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है।
Amidst the ongoing developments, the cell-style godman Narayan Sakar Hari alias Surajpal also came out in the open for the first time and urged people to have faith.
सभी शासन एवं प्रशासन पर भरोसा बनाए रखें। हमें विश्वास है जो भी उपद्रवकारी हैं वो बख्शे नहीं जाएंगे।
Ironically, Surajpal, also known as Bhole Baba, is accused by a number of victims of instigating thousands of people to collect soil off his feet, which led to the tragic incident in Hathras, but there is reportedly no FIR filed against him yet. The stampede at the religious congregation at Fulrai village in Hathras, where 120 people died and scores were injured or went missing, is among the biggest tragedies of its kind in recent times. The SIT probing being conducted by the Uttar Pradesh government has so far recorded 90 statements, the panel's chief Anupam Kulshrestha said on Friday, while the Hathras police personnel have so far arrested 6 people in connection with the stampede besides the main accused, Madhukar said. Multiple teams of police intelligence units and SOG have been formed under the supervision of senior police officials, performing raids in several places in Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas of Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttarakhand to nab others involved. Meanwhile, the key lapses that haunted everyone on July 2 indicate that safety was not even a concern for the organizers. And unfortunately, it went unnoticed by the administration as well, who did nothing to nudge the organizers to take primary precautions. Investigations have revealed that the devotees were made to stay in makeshift tents pitched on a field made marshy by the rains, causing many to slip during the stampede. The evacuation processes were also not sufficient, illustrated by the narrow exit routes at the satsang site, which were partly blocked by vehicles, panicking the crowd. In the nearby hospital, several doctors were reportedly not at work, while the healthcare facility did not have oxygen cylinders to support the people.
गाड़ी वाले बहुत लोगों की हो गई है। 2500 ऊपर पहुंचो। कितने लोग होंगे लगभग? बहुत लग गई है। कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है उसमें? भैया कितने की मौत रह गई है।
Notably, Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath, who ordered a judicial inquiry into the matter immediately after the incident, led by a retired HC judge, stated that he smelled a possible conspiracy behind the tragedy.
इस पूरे घटनाक्रम के लिए हम लोगों ने एडीजी आगरा की अध्यक्षता में एक SIT गठित की है, जिसने अपनी प्रारंभिक रिपोर्ट दी है और इस घटना की तह में जाने के लिए उनसे कहा गया है। बहुत सारे ऐसे पहलू हैं जिन पर जांच होनी बहुत आवश्यक है। हम लोग इस बात को किसी भी प्रकार से डिनाई नहीं कर सकते कि इस प्रकार की घटना केवल एक हादसा नहीं होता है। अगर हादसा भी है तो उसके पीछे कौन जिम्मेदार है, और अगर वह घटना घटित हुई है तो इसके पीछे हादसा नहीं तो साजिश किसकी है, कौन इसके पीछे है, इन सभी पहलों को लेकर के राज्य सरकार ने तय किया है कि हम इसका एक जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी भी करवाएंगे।
It is crucial to highlight that although Dev Prakash Madhukar, the main accused in the case, has a non-bailable warrant against him, no FIR has been registered against Bhole Baba, the person responsible for the stampede. The self-declared godman Suraj Pal has shockingly several reports against him. On the day of Hathras stampede, he reportedly encouraged his followers to collect soil from his path and rush to the exit, where his sevadars stopped people from leaving the venue at the main exit.
तो माँ एकदम हता खत्म होएगा, खत्म होने के बाद एकदम भाग छूटे सब लोग हतकाए, सब भागे तो माँ सड़क ऊंची नीचे हतकाए वो नालों से, तो गांव में एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक एक के ऊपर एक
भगदड़ मचने से
भगदड़
दबने से मौत हुई है।
दबने से
कितनी भीड़ थी वहाँ?
हाँ बहुत भीड़ थी, बहुत।
The religious event turned deadly for the devotees after Suraj Pal and the organizers held a large congregation in a small village with no arrangements for crowd management or emergency medical care. When organizing such large-scale events, even if privately, authorities must be of utmost stringent about the size of the gathering. Understandably, the administrative and police machinery cannot always be equipped to ensure that the crowd does not swell. Thus, in such situations, there must be several exit gates at the event to ensure that public safety is not compromised. Healthcare facilities should also be kept on alert. However, unfortunately, none of these boxes were ticked when the religious event was organized in Hathras on July 2. The Hathras tragedy is indeed a lesson for everyone, be it the administration or the followers who become part of such an event without due consideration. Moving ahead, the incident must push policymakers to evolve safety-related protocols, and the government that takes pride in organizing large-scale events should do better than merely smelling conspiracies.